Let me show you how to create this text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Start by writing your text. This is the font that I am using. Now go to Window and choose Appearance. Add a new stroke. Choose the white color. Change the stroke size to around 11 points. Go to Effect, Path, choose Offset Path. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Again, go to Effect, Pathfinder, choose Add. You can still edit the text as you want. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Leave your comments below if you have any questions.